This is tutorial number 59, and it covers how to use the edge fillet feature within Catia v5. To start off, open up tutorial part number 59, which is located on the DVD. Now the edge fillet feature is located in the toolbar over here, or if you click Insert, Dress Up Features, Edge Fillet. Now for an edge fillet, all you have to do is either choose one edge or multiple edges, or choose a face or part to apply the entire fillets to. So to start off, let's do a couple edges. So let's click the edge fillet, and let's add a fillet to this edge right here. And we're going to do it at 5 mils. Click OK. And now we've added a fillet to that edge there. Now let's do the same to this edge here. Click edge fillet, click the edge, and let's make this one 10. And click OK. Now, we've been doing fillets here on corners such as these, and when you do fillets there, you're going to be taking away material, and when you do a fillet on an inside corner such as these here, you're going to be adding material. So let's try these ones, and I'll show you how you're adding material. So let's click the edge fillet, click this inside line here, click OK, and you can see that we've added material there. Now let's do the same on the other side. Click edge fillet, let's make it 5 mil, and we'll click that line. Click OK, and now we've added material inside there. Now, we've just been doing one edge at a time. Now I'm going to show you how to do multiple edges. So click the edge fillet, and just select each edge all the way around here. Now we've selected 4 elements as it shows, and we'll do a 10 millimeter radius. Click OK, and now we've done a 10 millimeter fillet on 4 edges there. Now I'll show you a quicker way to do this. If you flip it over to this side, click the edge fillet, and just click the face, it's going to automatically choose all 4 edges. Click OK, and you get the exact same result. So you're able to choose a single edge, multiple edges, or a face. Now you're also able to choose an entire part body. So let's click the entire part body, click edge fillet, and let's just choose the whole body here. Click OK, and it's going to do it all the way around there. Now let's press Ctrl Z and just go back for a second. And we're going to do a couple on the base here. So let's click the edge fillet, and let's choose the bottom base here, and let's change this to 20. Click preview, and it's going to give you a little preview of where it's going to go. Click OK, and you can see that we've added material at the bottom there, and it's swept it all the way around. Now we'll click edge fillet again, we'll make it 10, and we'll trim just the top up here. Click OK, and we've added a 10 millimeter fillet to the edge there. So we're able to do, like I said, edges, multiple edges, faces, or kind of like the entire body of a part. So you're able to select a whole part and do a uniform fillet all the way around. And that concludes our tutorial on how to use the edge fillet feature within Catia v5.